Hi there, how are you all? Dear friends, let's begin our class. I want to request you, please, I request to you don't skip any part of this video and don't leave without till the end. Otherwise, you will miss some great step. So dear friends, let's click the file here. You can download this raw material from our description. Let's click file, new. Then width will be 2000, height will be 2000, resolution 72 pixel, and that will be 8-bit RGB white, and simply hit the create button. Then please download these images from description. I will provide you the link. Please download this image, then you can start the work. Just place the photo. Then hit the enter button. We will provide this fonts link in description. Please download these fonts, and then or otherwise you can doing this PSD file with other fonts. There will be no problem. Write something. Then please click on window, character. Your color will be FFF, means white color, and then reduce the your font will be bold. That's already bold, and one pixel will be 140. Just enter. Then again write something here. Our first steps is already done. Then we need to place our first ripped image. Hit the enter button. This color will be also white, so right click here, rasterize this layer, then select your brush tool. Your hardness will be 100% and size will be as usual. You can choose anything, no problem here. So that is pasting black color. We don't need black color, we need white color. So FFF for white color. Then we have to place our second image. Our second image will be this. simply hit the enter button, then right click, create clipping mask. So this is awesome. And please select this layer, this ripped layer, Ctrl J or Command J for copy and paste. Then again after selecting this layer, make sure your auto select is not selecting. Then you can just simply move this. Okay, Ctrl T, and please click here for wrapping the image little bit. And then again from here okay, I think a little bit. Hit the enter button. We need some shadow here, otherwise this will not looking realistic. Click this layer, then FX, then rock shadow. Your blend mode will be normal and the color will be black, and your opacity will be 50%. Make sure angle is 90. You can feel the shadow here. You can playing with your distance, spread, size, and you can playing with your angle also. You can feel the effect here. So 90% is not that bad. Okay, so our shadow is done. Then please we need to something type in here. Type like Photoshop. Then go to window, character, make sure this is 0. Sorry, my bad, I just accidentally deleted the layer. Then Ctrl T, Photoshop. Hit the enter button. Then go to layer, click create clipping mask, and again Ctrl J, Ctrl T, hit the enter button. So our work here is done. We need to take our third image for here. Before taking the third image, we need to save this PSD file into our hard drive. We don't want to lose it, because I want to upload this image to Google Drive for you, so that you can download and playing with this PSD file. Before taking this third image, we need our second ripped image. This is very important. Then simply hit the enter button. Again, we want here some white color for filling the gap. Select brush tool. We cannot just paste white color because we need to rasterize this layer. Then you can paste some white color here. Okay. Then place our third image here. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her face. She's very lovely, huh? Okay. Just simply hit the enter button. And again, the step is as usual, same. Create clipping mask. Okay. Please select this ripped image layer. Click Ctrl J or Command J. Then please don't select this auto select. You can just move this layer easily. Okay, then Ctrl T and wrap. You need to. Okay, I think this is good. Enter. As usual, we need to give a drop shadow effect. Go to FX, drop shadow. Okay, this shadow is already, because we chose our drop shadow already. Color will be black, opacity 50, angle 90, distance 12, spread 63, size will be 87 pixel. Okay. So we need something writing in here. What should we write? FUTURA. BOLD. Just Control All, window, character, and then I think everything is good. Okay, and please take this layer all above other layers. That will not visible. I know friends, my English accent is a little bit fuzzy for you, but I will try my best. I didn't have any other words. Okay, enter button, then click right button here, blending options. Your fill opacity will be 0. Go to a stroke. Your size will be 5, and blend mode normal, opacity 100%. Okay, just then simply hit the OK button. So this is good, huh friends? So that's how you do a wonderful magazine cover in your Photoshop. Simply merge all the layer into one group, then Ctrl J for copy the group, then divisible this group. Again select the second group, Ctrl E. After selecting the Ctrl E, we need to choose our background color as black, foreground as white. simply go filter gallery. So this is negative, huh friends? Simply hit cancel. So I did a mistake. Our background will be white and foreground will be black. Switch the foreground and background color. Make sure our foreground is black and background is white, otherwise that filter will be not effective. Filter gallery, then select this sketch, select half tone pattern, hit the OK button. So this is awesome, huh? Okay, then Ctrl A for select all this, Ctrl T, enter. So dear friends, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. If you have anything to ask, please write here. I will answer as soon as possible. I am always there for you. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, share.